Hello everyone, my name is Abhay and in this session we'll be learning how we can introduce AI in OSINT and Reconnaissance. OSINT and Reconnaissance is a huge part of cybersecurity, whether you want to find information about a user, whether it be information about a web application. Whenever you want to work on a web application, you start with reconnaissance. You start with gathering as much information as possible because it will reduce the overall time it requires to work on that certain target. Now we'll understand how AI will fasten up the whole process, whether it be a tool we will be fully relying on or whether it be a tool which will hold us back. This workflow totally ensures the systematic, repeatable discovery, moving from a broad target definition to a specific one, instead of finding everything available about that, because he might be or the target might be mentioned in another person's post, or there might be multiple people who might be mentioning him.
So what we'll be instructing the ChatGPT is that this is a simple VAPT lab we'll be going through, and it will help us or aid us into building these certain prompts, which will narrow down the search, and it will help us try to find as much information possible on the target. So for example, we'll just give one of the images. We'll see if that image has some kind of metadata or not. Right now, we'll be able to find the name of the author, whether it was a employee who used to work in the same company, and where exactly the image was edited, whether it was Canva and what date was it actually created, multiple information. So if we give the URL and press on search, it will do a simple search and it will say us how, and it will tell us when the website was created, who the actual owner is, who registered the company URL, and where it exactly it was bought. So if it's an organization, if this actual company